we have just came for one country, but I don't know which country. Please, could you introduce yourself? Which country you are from?
My name is Farai Luisi. I come from Zimbabwe.
Would you like to represent something about your country, about your culture?
So basically Zimbabwe is more in the southern African part of the hemisphere, and most of our culture is based around farming, and also in terms of cultural things within our country we have the Victoria Falls as well. So I think that's part of what we do in Zimbabwe.
So I don't know what does it mean. Could you explain what does it mean? What is this? It looks like a hat, but it's not hat, yeah? What is it?
This is actually part of what we are as a stand. So we here at Medipol today we're representing the Pan-African Association. So this is actually from Ethiopia. So I'm from Zimbabwe, but this is from Ethiopia, which shows we're trying to be united. Even though we're different, today we're representing the same thing, we're representing Africa. So that's basically what we're here for today. And this hat in particular is used for food.
Is it plate? It's plate?
Yes, it's used for food mostly, to cover food. Yes.
Could you say me something in your language?
Jebaleko, how are you? Jebaleko means how are you? And Olyotia means again how are you? Yeah, I'm from Uganda.
Uganda.
Yes.
How you find out here different cultures? Which one is the most interested you in?
I'm interested in Turkish because I came here to Turkey to study, so I just want to know the different culture diversity in Turkey.
Have you learned something in Turkish language?
Yeah, merhaba.
Merhaba. Did you learn something in Turkish?
Teşekkürler, merhaba.
I think you have already adapted in Turkish culture, yes?
Yes, somehow.
Adaptation.
Yes. Especially the food. It's not so different from what we eat back home.
Really?
Yes.
Which one's the most have similarity? Which food is?
Potatoes, tomatoes.
Potatoes.
Yes.
Ah.
Tomatoes, sweet potatoes. What else?
Cooking to potatoes
Right.
also similar?
Yeah, you stir fry. We also stir fry. We boil them. You also boil them. So it's the same.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Would like to thank Medipol so much. All of this is only possible because of Istanbul Medipol University. It's a university which has allowed us to unite as Africans. Even this beautiful cultural festival today is all because of Istanbul Medipol University. So thank you so much to the university.
Thank you so much, Azim Consulting.
Thank you to Medipol University. Thank you to African countries.
You're welcome.
You are welcome
Thank you
to
so
in
much.
Turkey. Thank you so
Nice to
much.
meet you guys.
Have enjoy. Have fun. Thank you.
You too.
Azim Consulting.